Our farmers and fisher folks are the backbone of our country. It is they, our food heroes, who toil daily to put food on our table and ensure that our economy continues to move forward, even in the face of a global pandemic.
This recognition of farmers and fisherfolk's critical contributions has materialized into a program that seeks to ensure they are empowered and protected as they go about feeding the nation. Effective March 1, 2021, farmers and fisherfolk, along with their dependents, will have access to health and life insurance under the Sagicor Agri-Care program. Registered farmers and fisherfolk will benefit from a group major medical plan, a full house plan, a critical illness plan, a personal accident plan, and a group life insurance plan.
This is a private sector initiative which is being facilitated by the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. It is Sagicor that has crafted these benefits and premium packages, while the government of Jamaica, through the offices of RADA and the National Fisheries Authority, will assist in the sensitization and the enrollment. Under the group major medical plan, farmers and fishers can have access to coverage for usual surgery and hospitalization, and coverage for things like chemotherapy, radiation, and dialysis. Under the full house plan, farmers and fishers will have access to a bundle of money that can be utilized to purchase certain primary care benefits, drugs, dental, and vision, doctor visits, and consultation.
The Sagicor Agri-Care program also covers farmers and fishers who get diagnosed with certain critical illnesses, suffer an accident, or unfortunately die.
The plan and programs have been crafted in a way that are affordable and manageable, whereas Sagicor will facilitate premium payments either 4 equal quarterly payments or twice per year.
For a monthly premium of $217, farmers and fisherfolk can access $1 million under the personal accident plan. The critical illness plan has a coverage of $500,000 with a monthly premium of $284.10. The group life insurance plan will give coverage of $1 million for paying just $965.95 for their monthly premium. For the first 3 months of the program, interested farmers and fisherfolk can sign up without a doctor's referral form.
This health and life insurance plan is a significant step in the transformation of our agriculture and fisheries sector. Not only are we securing the health and well-being of our farmers and fisherfolk, but we are sending a clear signal to all of Jamaica that farming and fishing are valid professions. This is especially important to our youth. We want our youth to know that farming and fishing are not only important, but are lucrative and well-secured professions.